Raspberry beret. Two. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
I'm Kristen, I use she, her pronouns, and I'm an event producer and party promoter.
I'm Alexis, I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a software engineer.
We are from the great city of Chicago. We've been married 4 years.
We met and fell in love on the dance floor. Music and clubs and dancing around the world's a big part of our life.
It's nice to be able to travel and experience music because it's a way to get outside myself.
This is our first trip to Minnesota together.
Travel's definitely a love language. Now, being parents of twins, we love a good long weekend. You can really get so much out of just a couple days.
The stamp of music history that this city has on the world, it's very rich.
Welcome to First Avenue. It's probably the heart of our music scene. We're one of the destination venues for not only bands, but also fans to come. Purple Rain was filmed here. Prince was on this stage back here in 1983. A second room that is over on this side, we called it the 7th Street Entry. Kind of the bigger Twin Cities local bands who exploded started in the entry. Husker Du, we had the Replacements, Atmosphere, Hold Steady, Iggy Pop, Lizzo, the Suburbs started there. We're still proudly independently owned.
And women-owned.
And queer-owned. So you can see Wendy, Lisa, Prince, Fox, Mark, Prince's guitar.
Aww.
You guys want to check out the stage? Yeah, where Prince used to be.
You can feel a spirit when you walk into a building. Even if I've never been to that show, I can imagine myself there. You definitely feel that history. Take a bow, get some karaoke going. Encore!
You can really get a feel for a city based on how people are coming together around music.
These are all in like pristine condition.
Okay, maybe we have to give it. Anywhere we go, we're gonna look up and say, like, what's something that's gonna connect us to the community and culture here?
Welcome to Hoċokata, the lodge at the center of the village. It's a museum and cultural center for the Shakopee, Metawakan, and Sioux community. Our mission here is to educate and preserve the traditional Dakota values, Metawakan values, the history and culture, to pass that on to future generations. Minnesota would mean clear water. The lake here in the Twin Cities area got renamed to the traditional Dakota name, Makaska.
Knowledge is power, and that's why history is so often buried, because it's empowering to learn.
It was incredible to see the power of cultural preservation and the interconnectedness of the Minnesota tribes.
The drum itself has its own spirit. You can just feel the earth or the heartbeat of the drum.
To hear and see how music is such an integral part of building community and storytelling, I think music is one of the most important tools we have for building understanding as communities and within ourselves.
This is beautiful. I love a lake moment.
I love that they renamed the lake that reclamation. It really means something.
It's really restorative to be able to tap into nature and can be within a metropolitan city and still have access to that. It is very special. It's beautiful.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Good morning, Minneapolis.
Good morning, Minneapolis.
Ooh, a Thai tea latte.
Oh, thank you. Hi, hello.
Hey, Nori?
Yes.
All right, so you have monk sausage, we make it in-house. Has an over easy, and then we call it the Disa sauce.
This is magical. It's all magical.
This is a chicken noodle soup. This has bamboo from my family.
All of it was fantastic. Highly recommend.
I'm so excited.
Starting en route to Paisley Park.
I'll probably get a little emotional.
That's definitely gonna happen.
Paisley Park, that is like the one thing that I've wanted to do since I was a teenager.
Y'all are super fly today, okay? Oh. Welcome to Paisley Park. Prince is a multifaceted artist whose work range in the mediums of film, technology, fashion, and music. Is you want to support it by the neck right here? 2, 1, action.
To see these handwritten lyrics.
Prince, who's immensely unique in how he was able to reach so many different people. He still unites so many people through his music and was such a genre and gender-defying person, defiant of so many things of saying, this is who I am, I'm gonna give this to the world, and continues to.
Paisley Park is carrying forth that same energy of community and uplifting each other. He said, when I stay in Minnesota, I can be me.
I can't think of a better tour that really touched and excited me like that did.
Paisley Park is in your heart. It's beautiful.
Love that. That's beautiful. So excited about the food.
Cheers. I'd like to toast to adventure.
So colorful and open. I can't believe we're in the Midwest. It does remind me of South Asia.
Wow.
I hope that whenever people come here, they just feel transported.
So, how did the James Beard Award change your life?
Just to have that kind of honor, it meant so much to me and my community that people are recognizing the fact that our food is both labor-intensive and technique-driven.
This is a special food memory. I'm gonna remember this. We love the houses in Minneapolis. It's so charming. When we travel, we do love going to like a vintage or an independent like boutique.
Hi. You'll see the shop is kind of a mix of vintage and then modern secondhand.
We're always seeking out who are those community members that are really putting in the time and work and are admired for bringing people together in their cities.
They really like it with the pants.
Thank you. Have a good adventure in Minneapolis.
We'll see you the next time.
Go see some art and be arty.
Be art and see art.
We are one of the premier contemporary art museums in this country. We are in This Must Be the Place. It's our new permanent collection. Please come in, enjoy yourselves.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, wow, that's incredible. That was awesome. That was one of the highlights for me, for sure. I mean, it's gorgeous. You couldn't ask for anything better.
How's it going?
You guys look amazing. What can I get for you guys?
I'm gonna ask you about a flight. Yeah, we started pulling in.
We did? Oh my, was she next to us?
Push mindless, plus minus 10. Yes, your highness. It seems you've arrived with the spies that supplied us. Now we're all
Supporting a local music scene is so important as a visitor, as a tourist.
People hype each other up and they support each other. That really warms my heart.
Thanks everybody for being here. This is so sick. Feels really, really great to have so many friends in one place.
I think Minnesota is a beautiful place. It has a great combination of friendliness as well as nature, but also incredible music, culture, and food. I feel the kinship between Midwest cities, and that was really cool. The spirit of collaboration, of working really hard, honoring roots, and feeling really proud of your city. And something that's particularly really special about Minnesota is its cultural diversity. It's really beautiful to see so many different people here.
There's lots of adventure to be had here. It feels like you're part of something.
It made me want to come back.